Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a resume in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where we can go ahead and get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner is going to be the sign in button. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Canva, where you can see all your info, you can see all the options you can create, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with creating a resume. It's very easy, and all we need is just 2 clicks to get started. The first thing is right here in the upper right corner, click on create a design. So after clicking on create a design, this is now going to open up all the options that we can access and create. And if you scroll down, you can find there is an option that says resume. So let's go ahead and click on resume. And after clicking on resume, guys, this is now going to open up this new tab right here, where we can get started with creating our resume. As you can see here, we have some templates of already written resumes that we can use to see how they look, and we can input our info here. Or if you just want to start from scratch, you do not even have to use one of the resumes. You can just go ahead and use a blank page, as you can see right here, and start typing it out yourself. Here at the left side of the screen, you have the options to draw, you have the text option, the elements design, and so on. And after you're finished and satisfied, here in the upper right corner, you can click the share button and then download it to your PC using the download button. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.